Okay, today class, we will talk about yung ating ideas na nakuha at nag-grasp dun sa ating previous discussion about engineering economics, which is annuities. Okay, we will now apply yung ideas about ordinary annuity, the annuity due, the deferred annuity, and then the perpetuity pagdating dito sa ating calculations. It is best for us to use the idea na natutunan natin pagdating sa calculations. So now let us proceed with solving our problems. Okay? Okay. For problem number 1, okay? So a television is available on an easy installment plan. Okay? So meron dito typo error. Easy installment plan. The down payment is 3,000 and the installment payment are 500 each payable at the end of every 3 months for 3 years. Sabi dyan, okay? If the interest rate is 6% compounded quarterly, what is the equivalent cash price of the television? Now, ganito yan eh. Diba, tayo bilang practical na tao, we tend to avail installment plans kapag hindi natin kayang bayaran ng, hindi natin kayang bayaran ng cash. And easy nga eh, easy installment plan. Ibig sabihin, madali siyang bayaran, pero merong kaakibat na interest rate yan. Unlike nung babayaran mo siya ng cash price. And then, it is better for us na isolve ito using our cash flow diagram para mas maintindihan natin yung cash flow. Okay? At yung tip ko sa inyo uh, pagdating ng annuities, it is best for us to translate all the money in the present term. Bakit kanyo? Kasi sa present term, gagamitin mo lang is the present worth of the money and then the amortization. Amortization na kung saan i-compile mo siya or i-accumulate mo siya in order for you to get the present worth of the amount. Now, pagdating dito sa problem na to, ganito ang gagawin natin. Okay? We will draw a cash flow diagram. Okay? Now, sabi dito, meron kang down payment and then the payable amount is 500 each every 3 months. So, that is quarterly. Okay? Every 3 months. Ang hinahanap niya is the cash price. Okay? So, for 3 years, meron kang first year, meron kang second year, meron kang third year. Okay? Now, we will list down all the needed parameters. So, you have first year, second year, and third year. Kaya lang, yung bawat taon na yan, i-subdivide mo into quarter. So, 4 na beses. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So, you have subdivided all of them into 4 equal payments. So, meron tayong down payment. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-down payment ka, syempre down. Pababa. Nag-down payment ka ng 3K. Okay? 3,000 pesos. 3,000 pesos. Now, you will amortize mga ganitong amounts. A, 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 and A, and A. Okay. Now, you have equal payments na. Okay? Ngayon, yung equal payments na yon, ibig sabihin, at the end, ito yung keyword para malaman natin siyang ordinary annuity siya at the end of every payment term. So, ang sabi dito, at the end of every 3 months. So, quarterly. Okay, ano ba yung value ng present worth natin? Itatranslate natin lahat ng values na ito into a single present worth. Lahat ng value niya, itatranslate natin dito. Okay? Hanggang magmula dun sa dulo ng ating payment term. Okay? Papupuntahin natin siya into present worth. Now, how will we do that? Okay, meron naman tayong value na, meron tayong calculation formula. So, that is PA equal to. Siyempre, nagbayad ka agad ng down payment. Itatagdag mo yung down payment. Plus, let us erase this one. Okay, so total payment yan. Total payment. Ayaw mabura. Okay, so that is PT. and then PA. You will get yung PA muna and then given naman si DP in order for us to get yung total worth of the amount. Okay? So, PT will be equal to down payment na 3,000 pesos plus yung PA. PA is A. Yan ha. I-translate natin to. Equal to A over I multiplied by 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative N. And we will have yung payment natin na 500 kada month. Okay? And divide that with our 6% compounded quarterly. Okay? Ang binigay dito is the nominal rate, 0.06. Okay, in order for you to get the actual interest rate, kasi ang given dito is actual interest rate. Actual interest rate is equal to I nominal divided by yung compounding term. So that is 0.06 divided by 4 since quarterly. Okay? 1 minus 1 plus 0.06 over 4 raised to negative, no? Negative n, mn. So how many years? That is 3 years times 4. That is 12. 3 times 4. Okay. So we will have a value. I-solve muna natin si PA. Okay? Dagdag na lang natin doon sa 3,000. Para mas madali. So this will be 500 divided by 0.06 divided by 4. Okay? Multiplied by 1 minus 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4 raised to negative 12. Okay. And this will be equal to 5,453. Kaya lang, hindi pa natin dinadagdag yung ating down payment. So, plus natin ang 3K, 3,000. Then, we will arrive with the answer. Okay. PT is equal to 8,453.75 pesos. But wait, there's more. Meron tayong calculator technique. Okay? We use Caltech pagdating dito. Okay? What is the Caltech? Okay? Denote natin. Ito lang ang mahahanapan natin ng Caltech. Yung annuity lang. Okay? So, you will have to find this one, yung sigma. Okay? That is sigma. And then, you will let this one as alpha A. Okay? 1 plus alpha B. Ano ba yung B? That is the actual interest rate. And then you will raise it with X. Alpha X. Okay? And then, ilagay natin dito 1. And then, N, yung nasa taas. N. Nasa taas ng sigma is N. Ano ba yung N natin? Di ba ito? 3 times 4. This is 12. Okay. And then, you will press Calc, C-A-L-C. Okay, yung A natin, i-input natin yung value ng amortization natin. That is 500. And then B, ilalagay natin yung actual interest rate, which is 0.06 divided by yung number of compounding terms. That is 4. And then X, as is, this will be the value na meron tayo. Yun yung value ng ating present worth of the annuity. I-add natin yung ating, what we say that, yung down payment natin, that is 3,000, and then we will arrive with the same answer. Okay? Ganun kadali lang ang annuity natin. All you have to do is to use the Caltech or pwede rin naman the long method, but it is best for us to use yung paglilipat ng value niya into present accumulated worth. Okay? And then let's proceed to number 2. For number 2, problem goes like this. An electrical engineer obtained a loan of 50,000 at the rate of 6% compounded annually. In order to repair his mistress's house, how much must the electrical engineer pay monthly to amortize the loan within a period of 10 years? Ibig sabihin dito electrical engineer daw, merong kalaguyo. Okay? Nag-loan siya para magbigyan niya ng magandang bahay ang kanyang kabit. Ha? At a rate na 6% compounded annually. Now, the keyword, compounded annually. Therefore, ang binigay sa dyan is an effective rate. Okay? 0.06. Effective rate, compounded annually. Okay? Ngayon, babayaran niyo yung worth niya into monthly. Monthly. Ibig sabihin, kung ito annual, ililipat mo siya to monthly payments. So, ano ba yung conversion ng IE natin? IE is equal to yung 1 plus yung actual interest rate. Okay, actual interest rate raised to m minus 1. So, we will first have to convert ito. Okay? So, 0.06 equal to 1 plus I raised to m minus 1. Kaya lang yung m is 0.06. Ilipat ko na si 1 dito. 1 plus, okay, 1 plus I raised to m. That is 12 kasi nga monthly ang amortization mo. Okay? So, this will be 1.06 equal to 1 plus I raised to 12. Now, i-loan natin both sides para maibaba ko si 12. ln ni 1.06 equal to 12 yung loan ni 1 plus I. Okay? And then we divide both sides by 12. Okay? Para ma-simplify natin. So, ln ni 1.06 over 12 equal to yung loan ni 1 plus I. Yan. So, para ma-cancel natin si logarithm nitong isa, since hindi natin ito ma-cancel, all we have to do is to raise both sides by E. I-raise natin sila to E. So, this will be E ln ng 1.06 divided by 12. Okay, natanggal na si ln. So, ilipat ko na lang si 1 minus 1 equal to I. Okay. So, meron tayong parang na-formulate. Okay? In order for us to get the actual interest rate, okay, actual interest rate, ang gagamitin mo lang is E, yung loan ng 1 plus yung 0.6 that is IE over yung M minus 1. So, you have this formula. Okay? Naituro ko na sa inyo yan. So, let us solve for I. Okay? So, shift E. Tapos naka-loan yung taas. Loan ng 1.06. Okay? And then, divide natin ng 12 kasi monthly payments. Minus 1. Pababa. And as a reminder, class, you should never round off the interest rate kasi nagbabago yung value ng money. All you have to do is to store the value. Or, you list down the entire value. So, that is 0.00486755055. That is the interest rate. Okay, actual. Ngayon, na-store na natin yung value. Again, wag nyo i-convert or wag nyo i-round off kasi magbabago na yung value niya. All you have to do is to solve na yung ating amortization. Now, binigyan tayo dito ng present worth. That is AI over 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative n. Okay. So, ang n natin dito is 12 payments times 10 years. Ano natin nakuha? Ayun, 0. In monthly amortization, 10 years. N is 10 years. That is 120. So, 120. Alam natin si PA, that is 50,000 ang hiniram mo eh. Hiniram daw ni engineer. So, this will be, i-rearrange natin. Okay lang ba? Para makuha natin si A. A will be equal to PA times I over 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative n. Okay, so PA will be 50,000. I is 0. Hindi. Yung nakalagay na lang dito buo. Huwag na natin Lagay ko na lang dito is yung alpha A. Alpha A yan. alphabet A. And then 1 minus 1 plus alphabet A. Alphabet A, and then raise natin ng negative 120. Okay? Solve na natin. Okay? That is 50,000. Recall natin si A. 1 minus 1 plus, recall natin si A, and then we will raise it to negative 120. Okay. We have the value na babayaran niya monthly for 10 years. That is an amortized value of 551.12 pesos. Okay? That is the first part of our review. And then marami pa tayong problems dyan. So stay tuned for the next problems.